best of the best of the best. Like, hands down, they're the best female football team in the world.
The Reggae girls are going to the World Cup. Brawling, me even care.
No,
me
man.
I get gas.
Straight up and down.
Going to the World Cup.
Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Joe, man.
But I cut this out to the ready again. My number look high while I go. People rewind. I look up while I go to my intro video. Go on.
I'm your host, Joe, man.
I'm Rose.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting, and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates. And the you're good, brother? Okay, no.
People, we don't have done reason before we start the video still, but things are playing on my mind. Anyways, people, the Reggae girls are going to the World Cup. Brawling, me even care.
No, man.
I get gas.
Straight up and down.
Going to the World Cup. Bro, let's talk about it. We beat Mexico 1-0. Right now, we are sit second of the group behind USA. Top two go through.
Top two with a golden ticket to the World Cup.
Bro, break down the group. And the positions in the group, where that place in the World Cup or Olympics are qualified. Just talk about it, bro. Talk to me.
Alright, people. So, the Conquer Cup Women's Championship. This or That Sports TV has been covering this from its, from its commencement. A couple of months ago, where we would have been at the National Stadium and then Sabina Park, covering all the games, this, that, and the third. No, this or that. Not this, that, and the third.
Yeah, this or that.
Alright, that makes sense. Anyways, people, I know we're at the actual tournament, being held in Monterrey, Mexico. And as you people would have already known, it's split up into two groups. But what is really important is our group.
Mm-hmm.
And when we got the draw, people, we were very disappointed. It seemed like it got as bad as it could have gotten.
Mm-hmm.
So, Mexico, USA, and Haiti.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how can you get Mexico, USA, and Haiti? And the other zone there's Trinidad and Costa Rica. Like, how does that make sense? How do we get all of them? So I wasn't very optimistic, especially based on how we were playing under Vin Blaine's tutelage. I was not necessarily very optimistic, but the competition started.
Mm-hmm.
We got a win,
Mm-hmm.
and it was a very important win. You know why, people? Because of a 4-team zone, 2 teams get a golden ticket to the World Cup.
Yeah.
And the third place team gets an inter-confederational playoff spot. So CONCACAF will have a playoff. We'll have 2 playoff spots.
Mm-hmm.
The 2 third place from each zone, but the top 2 from each zone will go to the World Cup. No, after the first game,
where are we sitting, bro?
we're sitting second,
All right.
and only by a goal difference because we and USA on the same amount of points.
No, people said, Rush, don't get carried away. I'm in a busy one. I want to say the Reggae girls are going to the World Cup.
No, sealed and secured in my
All right.
opinion.
Let's talk about it now. We're playing America on the 7th.
Yes, sir.
Which, depending on whenever you're watching the game. Maybe today, yesterday, whenever. Watching this video. Now, if we lose to America, Mexico beat Haiti. We're level on points with Mexico. Both winning only 1 game and losing 1 game. Does that put Mexico back into the driving seat? No, because why not? You know why, but tell people why not.
Because Mexico will have to play only the best football team in the world.
Yeah.
In fact, the best football team in the history of women's football.
So people, do you guys understand what I mean by the Reggae girls are going to the World Cup now? The only way this can, anything, I feel like this can get spoiled. Matter of fact, if we play America,
we lose to Haiti. That's the only way
we lose to
spoiled.
Haiti. We can't lose to Haiti.
Because we're not here saying that we're going to beat the United States of America. But before we even delve into that, people, there's also Olympic qualifications on the line.
I'd love that.
Of course, it would be amazing for us to carry a non-athletic contingent to the Olympics.
Yeah.
It would be amazing to see, a football team out there in the Olympics. Like, obviously, the junior reggae boys, they just missed out. And that would have been impressive if they had gotten a chance to go to the Olympics. But the women still have a chance. Imagine, at the opening ceremony, probably Shelly Ann Fraser will be the team captain if she's still running that. And beside her you have Khadija Shah.
Right.
Both of them leading out the Jamaican contingency. Imagine that, bro. Wouldn't that be something special? You have Havana Salone and Drew Spencer and Tony Carter and walk out round the track because that's the opening ceremony regardless.
Yeah.
And we're going to be seeing like that would be something phenomenal. That's something that we really would love to see.
I'd love Olympic qualification, bro.
Yeah, and first place in the zone secures Olympic qualification, and then the third place teams, the second place teams play off for Olympic qualification. So,
big question. Do you think we can beat America or just beat 80 and secure it?
Alright, so the question I will answer is, do I think we will secure a golden ticket to the World Cup?
Bro, when I just tell you say we're going to World Cup.
Exactly.
Literally say 3 times already.
No, before speaking about what I think about the American game, I want to speak about the Mexican game.
Let's talk about it a bit.
You know, I'm not going to go through and say give player ratings for the whole squad or something like that, but I want to mention a few key players.
Yeah.
In the video we recently posted, I spoke about the tactical improvements that we recognized watching that game, right? But I want to speak about a few standouts in this video. You know, Khadija Shah, as usual, she manages, in spite of not looking at her best, she manages to get the job done, which is all that matters, you know. Havana Salone, I'm happy to have her back in the team. Missed a penalty, but she was a rock in the midfield nonetheless.
Yeah.
You know, Drew Spence, finally done in that jersey and looked
looks good, bro.
Like the professional she is, you know, black with outstanding. Paige and Jody on the wings, making things happen, wreaking havoc, you know, the two Swaby, twin towers in the back line. And lastly, but definitely not least, you know, the little big girl in goal, you know, Rebecca Spencer. So all in all, we just had a beautiful game against Mexico. You know, they outpossessed us, but we definitely dominated that game, in my opinion.
Yeah, man, for sure. Game plan work, you know, down to the T. You get me? I say, I'm happy with the coach so far.
Yeah.
I'm happy with the girls so far. We called for improvements. We called for the girls to take it up another notch. We called for them to, you know, get into third gear, fourth gear. And we definitely saw it. I think there's another step to go. Drew Spence didn't have her best game, but she still looked outstanding to me. Salone petered off towards, could see her getting tired towards the end of the game. Still can get better for me. Khadija Shah can get better for me. And the wings, Brown can do better for me.
For sure.
They get me and say, we never see some of the other players that could have, say, Trudy Carter could have come on and give you a good 15 minutes and up the levels of the game. So I feel like at wing back or left back we could have do better. So I feel like there's another level to go, bro, and hopefully we can reach that level in the USA game, because we need to be at our best to even think about getting a result against America.
Perfect segue. Do I think we have what it takes to beat the United States of America? Honestly, I don't. But as I mentioned before, USA are the best of the best of the best. Like, hands down, they're the best female football team in the world. So it would be no shame to lose to USA. You know, I do think we'll be competitive against them, and I don't see us getting a throbbing from them. If we manage to eke out a result, don't rush. Does that adjust our ambitions for the World Cup?
Bro, I think so. Last World Cup we qualified, and that was the achievement.
Yeah.
I feel like if we top this group, if we put up, even if we don't top this group, if we say get a draw against America, I feel like it's going to the World Cup, getting out of the group. That's our competing to get out of the group would then be the next. Getting to the World Cup would not. If we qualify this year, I'll qualify for next year.
I think qualification is all about security at this point.
Yeah, and it's always a good thing, always a celebration. But I feel like what would I say? No, the plan would be different. The game plan for the World Cup would now be different.
Yeah, but if we manage to get a point against USA in a competition like this,
after we're winning the World Cup?
Probably not winning, but it has to be going to the quarters or the semi-finals. Think about it.
We're not trying to put under pressure there.
No, but if we can manage to eke out a result against USA, which I personally don't think we can, we'll have the ability to. But if we do, doesn't that then make us think about actually making strides in the World Cup?
And where would that rank us? Where would that rank us? No, let's wait on the game first. And trust me, you don't think we guess yet? Make us beat America. Now, you said that you don't think we have the quality to be, well, not the quality, but you don't think we can get a win against America. Yeah. What I would add to that is, on our best day, we can get a draw against America if they're not at their best. But America at their best, Jamaica, their best, we're losing that game.
America,
I don't think we have enough.
America at the best. America at their best goes undefeated in the World Cup.
There we go.
And wins the competition.
So if we are at our best, and let's hope that we put America off their game, we can probably get a draw, probably lose 1-0. You get me? I say because to be honest, Jamaica, well, it's unfair to say this because we shouldn't have even conceded one goal. But our defense and our goalkeeping, I am confident. I'm not worried about Jamaica conceding a lot of goals. So if we can manage to get this result against America, bro, crazy. Something coming up with a while ago, I want to talk about it, but I can't help myself. I know we're talking about the girls. But I have to bring in the boys, bro. The reggae boys. And I've been saying this for a while now. And we don't have it all planned out, but it's an idea. I'm wondering if we need a similar setup to what the girls have for us to achieve some success. An administrative group that is not or is separated from the administration of the JFF itself. Do we need a group outside of the heads of the JFF to be taking over our football that is only responsible for our football? You see, like how the Reggae Girls Foundation and Cinderella Marley, it's basically their program. Do we need a program for the men?
I don't think it'd hurt us.
Bro, I think we should follow that blueprint.
If a Dan Webby or a Bruce Bicknell or a Jason Menzel or an Adam Stewart decides to come through and decide to take up that.
And they have a say in, remember your money is involved now, brand is involved, you know. Because it's not, yes, the Reggae Girls Foundation, yes, all of that charity, blah, blah, blah. Cool. Cinderella Marley name is also on the line. Her investments are also on the line.
Sure.
So let's say Adam Stewart come on and say, yo, here what? I'm going to pump some money into the program. You would then want to have a say on the coach. And if your money is on the line, you would want to get the best coach you can get. You'd want to make sure those sponsorship deals are coming in.
Big Sander.
Bro, honestly,
they wouldn't have to worry about flying anywhere again.
Bro, I honestly think that we need to follow the Reggae Girls blueprint and get an independent, not independent, but an outside group.
But then again, do you think the JFF would relinquish their cash cow, the Reggae Boys?
It's not necessary. Yeah, they would have to.
Why?
And as I said, I don't have the details, bro.
Remember, it was a situation where we were just giving up on women's football. And it was a situation where it was just, we can't afford to carry on this quote-unquote cancer, which is women's football. It doesn't bring in any money.
It's not getting us anywhere.
But we have to be spending on it. And because of that, outside sources decided to come in and rejuvenate it, and make it the program that it is. They are not casting aside the Reggae Boys because that is their only source of income.
As I say, people, I don't have it all ironed out and figured out. But if, let's say, some percentages have to be worked out, what percent goes to the JFF, what percent goes to the program itself.
Bruce Bicknell, buy the Reggae Boys from the JFF.
Bro, big man thing, I honestly believe that we need to take that blueprint from the girls.
Yeah.
Maybe we can improve on it. Maybe we can do it in a different way. But I feel like that's the way to go. Why? Too much corruption. Too many people have a say in what goes on. Too many rumors. It's just too much going on. Take JFF. Let's believe in me. Get a group. Reach out to somebody. Reach out to some leeching and some man and see what we can get. And give them the Reggae Boys. People, make me know what to think about this. But how we that, bro? We can wrap it up or you want to say something else to the people.
Yeah, as I said, Rush and him Dirty Ways managed to make the video be captivated by the Reggae Boys, and that's not what we're here for. Right, we're here for the girls, the team that are
the girls,
the team that are actually going to the World Cup, people. As you can see how excited we were,
Bro, I have to say something. Bro. Your favorite, what's going on? Where's Marla, bro?
You know what? Everybody knows that Marlo is our girl. We love Marlo so much. We haven't gotten a chance to catch up with her, asking her about her omission from this squad. But what I will say is, bro, Havana Salone and Drew Spence and Blackwood, so on and so forth, who actually didn't even get the feature, but it goes.
Our midfield, bro. Our midfield looks crazy right now. But yeah. What did I say before we got there?
Yeah. I was saying, people, we're on our way to the World Cup. We're playing USA very soon, guys, and we'll be back here, win or lose versus the USA. We're very excited.
Yeah.
We're very excited, people. So stick around as we follow or Reggae Girls in the CONCACAF Women's Championship in Monterrey, Mexico, bro. Any closing remarks before we leave the people?
No, man, I will that. And don't forget, people, we love the girls. Not sure we bring in the reggae boys because we just like try to make a part. We love the girls. We love the reggae girls. Coming on, want people take that and spin it. We love the reggae girls.
Yeah,
and we love girls.
What are you talking about?
I'll read that, people. But no, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. And if
each one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers I'll get us by the end of the day? People, I've been pushing this for months.
Months, man. A long time.
Just do the maths, alright guys, just on this one video. Each one of you guys watching on this one video, just get us 5 subscribers and look at us, bro.
Yeah.
Just this one video, then can actually listen to it, man.
I'm with you, bro. Trust me. All the way. But for now, people, because this is That Sports TV.
I know.
Yeah.